This is the most powerful natural antibiotic ever, kills any infections in the body. During medieval times, there were many diseases and epidemics that took numerous human lives. This caused people seek some natural remedy that will help them fight all these diseases in the combat to preserve their lives. Today we present you a master cleansing tonic which was the first choice of many people since it miraculously cures various health issues. In fact, this remedy is an antibiotic which has the power to kill gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Millions of people have used this superb tonic to fight the most dangerous diseases. The secret of this wonderful tonic is its potent combination of high-quality fresh ingredients. It is efficient in the treatment of chronic conditions and diseases, stimulates blood circulation and cleanses blood. Its powerful antiviral and antifungal formula improves blood circulation and lymph flow. In addition, this natural remedy is the best remedy for Candida. Believe it or not, the power of this tonic should not be underestimated, regarding the fact that it has helped people fight bacteria, parasitic and fungal diseases, and even plague. In other words, this natural tonic will help you fight the most dangerous diseases, protect your health due to its antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal and antiparasitic properties. This medieval recipe can help you treat all diseases, and strengthen your immunity. Master Tonic Recipe. During the preparation of this excellent remedy, it is advisable that you wear gloves when handling the ingredients, especially in the part where you have to add the hot peppers, since the tingling will sure not come off your hands easily. Moreover, this master tonic can stimulate your sinuses, as a result of its strong smell. Ingredients: 1/4 cup garlic, finely chopped. 1/4 cup onion, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons turmeric powder or 2 pieces of turmeric root. 24 ounces/700 milliliters apple cider vinegar, organic. 2 fresh peppers, choose the hottest ones, wear gloves when you clean the peppers. 1/4 cup ginger, grated. 2 tablespoons horseradish, grated. Preparation. First, mix all the ingredients together, except the vinegar. Put the prepared mixture in a mason jar. Now pour the apple cider vinegar and fill the jar to the top, making 2/3 of the jar should filled with the dry ingredients, and the rest with apple cider vinegar. Close the jar well and shake. The jar with the master tonic should be kept in a cool and dry place for about 2 weeks. It is not necessary to keep the tonic in your fridge, as it does not spoil that easily. Shake the jar every day, or even better, several times a day. After the period of 2 weeks, through a gauze, the liquid should be strained. Squeeze well in order the mixture to release its juices. Moreover, you can spice up your meals, combining the tonic with some olive oil. Thus you can use it as a salad dressing or add it to your stews. The dry mixture left can be used in the preparation of some other nice dishes. Dosing. Gargle for a few seconds and swallow. A tablespoon of the powerful master tonic on a daily basis is enough to strengthen the immune system and fight colds. In order not to reduce its powerful effect and potential, never dilute the tonic. To get used to its taste, gradually increase the dose every day until you are able to drink a small glass per day, preferably a liquor glass. Take a tablespoon of the remedy 5 to 6 times a day to treat more serious diseases or infections. Since it is all natural and free of toxins, this natural tonic is safe for pregnant women and children. Always use small doses. Remember to always be careful, the tonic has strong and hot flavor. It is a valuable advice to eat some orange, lemon or lime after you consume the tonic in order to reduce the burning sensation and heat. Health value of its ingredients. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is made from ripe apples. The apples are fermented and producers use rigorous procedures in order to get the final product. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, used only 2 natural remedies, apple cider vinegar and honey. Apple cider vinegar is rich in potassium. The lack of potassium is often associated with slow growth, so potassium deficiency causes hair loss, brittle nails and teeth, sinusitis, and runny nose. The regular use of this mineral eliminates these health problems. Apple cider vinegar will also help you eliminate the toxins from your body. Apple cider vinegar is rich in pectin. It is a fiber that decreases bad cholesterol and normalizes blood pressure. We all know that people need more calcium as years pass. Apple cider vinegar stimulates the extraction of calcium from the food it is combined with, and this results in straightening of bones. It is rich in malic acid, known for its ability to fight fungal and bacterial infections. Malic acid alleviates joint pain since it dissolves uric acid deposits around the joints. This eases the elimination of uric acid from the body. Apple cider vinegar also promotes natural weight loss, since it breaks up fat easily. Apple cider vinegar is the best choice for those who need to lose some pounds. Beta-carotene fights free radicals and keeps the skin firm and fresh. Apple cider vinegar is a potent natural cure that treats various conditions like arthritis, weak bones, hair loss, high blood pressure, obesity, indigestion, increased cholesterol levels, diarrhea, eczema, sore eyes, chronic fatigue, mild food poisoning, constipation, headache and many others. Chili peppers. The most powerful circulation stimulants ever known are the chili peppers. They fight microorganisms due to their antibiotic properties. Turmeric. Turmeric is the most popular and potent spice, recognized by health experts. It possesses numerous health benefits, hinders cancer development and prevents dementia, cleanses infections and reduces inflammation. Turmeric is often used in the treatments joint pain as well. Horseradish. Horseradish is a powerful tool for treatments of sinuses and lungs, being able to open the sinus channels and stimulate circulation, the point where colds and flu usually occur. Garlic. Garlic is another natural antibiotic with a strong healing power. While conventional antibiotics kill friendly bacteria, garlic targets only bacteria and microorganisms, and increases the level of healthy bacteria. Being a powerful antifungal agent, garlic destroys antigen, pathogen, and dangerous disease-causing microorganisms. The combination of garlic and onion is a powerful duo. Onions, the garlic's closest relatives, have similar, but slightly milder effect. Ginger. Ginger is popular as a powerful circulation stimulant and possesses a strong anti-inflammatory effect. To sum up, you can use this miraculous master tonic to solve all health issues and protect your health in a natural way. Without any doubt, natural antibiotics are always the best option. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.